Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new on my channel, here we talk about celebrity gist, DIYs, hairs, and lots more. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Okay, so please, if you have not subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Make sure you subscribe. Turn on that bell that says subscribe, and beside it there is a notification bell. Turn it on to be notified whenever I post any new video. On this video I'm telling you on how to make your temporary locks on your 4C hair. Okay, temporary locks on your 4 short C hair. Okay, so what you'll be needing is your shea butter and your leave-in conditioner. Okay, I will be making use of the leave-in conditioner at the end of my video, and what I'll be using now is my shea butter. So I'll be explaining it orally on how you can see it practically here, but please don't look at the background of the video, but make sure you look at the content that is coming out of the video. Okay, so what you'll be needing is just your shea butter. Put it at the root of your hair to like moisturize or to oil the root of your hair. Then the tips of your hair, which is the mouth, like the tips of the hair. So you plait about 1/4 or one quarter of your hair. You plait 1/4 of your hair, then the rest will be like a loose braid. You just fast run the braiding, then the ends will be twist, or you can just roll it down. You can see the way I'm doing it. You just make sure the root is a little bit tight. You tight the root, make sure the root is tight. Then when you go to like 1/4 of the hair, then you like this, the way I'm doing it now. Then the mouth, you just roll it down. You put a little bit of shea butter to lock it, then you roll it, and that's all. So after doing all this, and if you have not yet subscribed already, my sister, please subscribe. Okay, so I'm still repeating the same thing. And if you have not watched any of my video, please make sure you watch my video before this, which is how I tied my Ankara hair wrap. Okay, please make sure you go and watch it. It's fun and it's okay, so please make sure you watch it and know how to tie your African print Ankara. Okay, so make sure you patronize Nigerian. So I'm through with the hair because I just have to like fast forward everything because of the space on my phone. So I'm through. So this how the leave-in conditioner will be used. You pour a lot of quantity on your hand, like that could go around your hair. Okay, that could go around all your locks. You pour it on your palm and you have to massage it. That will allow it to sink down into your hair. Okay, you allow it to go down. You have to rub and just have to keep rubbing to the direction you want. Like I need my own to go backward. That's why you'll be seeing me rubbing, and I will be dragging all my hair backward. And those that are not well rolled to your taste, like you see it as if it's not locked, you just have to repeat it and just start. You can start locking it individually. Okay, so you can just start locking it individually. I have to add a little bit of quantity for it to go back. Don't mind the whitish substance you are still seeing. It will take no time, it will all fade away. So don't mind if you're seeing these whitish substances, it will all fade away. So you can see me, I'll just be rubbing so to go backward. I'm rubbing it so to go backward. So you keep rolling, and like you can see the way I'm doing it. I don't need to explain too much because this is a practical aspect. Okay, so you roll very well so as to look beautiful and natural, to look like you lock your hair temporary permanently, but you tell them, hey girl, I got your back, I like it, it's just temporary, not permanent. Okay, so that's all. Just have to roll, you have to lock those that are not yet, that have not locked very well. Just lock it very well, and you look for satin scarf to put it on. So that's all. And lest I forget, you have to put shea butter. Okay, at the end of, after putting all your leave-in conditioner, just have to put a little bit of quantity of shea butter and massage all to the locks. Okay, if your hair is long, you can shake, but my hair, I just have to shake it. Okay, so you can see it, how it's looking. Okay, it's look very, very beautiful. I just hope this video is like, you had it been, you have seen the way people are appreciating it on my hair. Hell, God. Okay, so it's look very, very beautiful. Okay, don't look at how it looks, but when you rock it, when you put on your sleek satin scarf or any silky scarf, it will look flawless. Okay, sorry. Tie it to the direction you want your hair to be. I want my own to go backward, that's why I just have to tie it to tie my, like, it's not satin, but make sure you use satin. Okay, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. Okay, so thank you for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye bye.